15 kitchen counter decor ideas you'll want to try ASAP. If you love the look of clean and uncluttered kitchen countertops, consider accessorizing with a single, statement-making object. Here, Kristen Nix Interiors punched up this honed quartz countertop in bright white with a bold, bronze star sculpture. It lends a pop of dark, dramatic contrast to the crisp, white cooking space. Interior designer, Allison Candler is a master at creating colorful kitchens inspired by vintage cooking spaces from the 1920s and 1930s. Note how she uses bright objects to draw your eyes around the room. For example, the red fruit bowl on the counter throws focus to the red knobs on the range and the KitchenAid mixer. The avocado vase with sunflowers does the same with the yellow pantry door and turquoise cookie jar. White space plays an important role here too. All of the white elements from the walls to the cabinets give the eyes a place to rest. In an ideal world, countertops should be clutter-free because less is more after all, according to interior designer Carrie Feeney of Alicia Weaver Design. However, a few well-chosen decorative items will complement your kitchen. Fresh-picked flowers and greenery perk up this cooking space. Another great trick worth stealing is decorative soap dispensers like the one pictured with an apt message. Adding touches of greenery can make all of the difference in a kitchen. Interior design firm Park & Oak plays with texture, height, and color in this cooking space by strategically placing unique stems and plants. Quite literally elevate your countertop decor by bringing it higher onto open shelving. It is a great idea, especially for small kitchens, say the experts at Park & Oak Interior Design. Open shelving creates a similar effect to beautiful countertop decor but gives more opportunities to utilize counter space. Never be afraid to go bold in small spaces. Attractive ceramics for utensils, wood cutting boards, and bunches of flowers and plants make this tiny Brooklyn kitchen spotted on HomePolish feel extra homey. Park & Oak Interior Design creates a livable look by creating decor out of purposeful kitchen pieces. By investing in beautiful pots, cutting boards, and other kitchen tools, items like these can provide a dual purpose of adding beauty and functionality. Woodsy texture can lend warmth to a stark white kitchen. Branches placed in a glass vase unites all the warm features spotted in this kitchen by Heidi Kalier Design, including the rustic bar stools and brass light fixtures. Helping to balance the space is the flowering plant on the far side of the cooking space. Nothing says farmhouse style like vintage kitchen accessories as shown on this counter styled by Kirst, the decor blogger behind Old Salt Farm. The wooden spoon holder is a repurposed lantern, the food scale is a score from a local flea market, and the fresh baked pie sign was a DIY project. All three elements together create a cozy and rustic aesthetic. A cherry-picked selection of accessories adds loads of visual interest to this countertop spotted on HomePolish. A stack of cookbooks gives the kitchen a lived-in feeling while keeping favorite recipes handy. Blending a mix of new and old objects like the copper watering can against the pretty patterned backsplash really warms up the mostly white cooking space. Studio McGee dressed up this countertop with a nice mix of kitchen staples that are all aesthetically pleasing. One of their tricks is to make everyday items like the bottled soap and lotion set and scrub brush look more presentable by placing in small white caddies. And for a dose of room-warming color, there's an intentionally placed black dish filled with yellow peppers and a selection of leafy branches from the yard. Next to the oven is a thin tray. It cleverly creates a designated spot for salt and pepper and a variety of cooking oils all within each reach for frying and sautéing. Of course, we love a delicious loaf of artisanal bread. Here a lovely whole grain sample tops off a wooden cutting board. Pretty topiary balls are certainly an unexpected but pretty touch in this kitchen by Kate Coughlin Interiors. The glass vase filled with green apples balance the striking box plants. These countertops are reserved for hardworking kitchen items. When the team at Aiden Design was working on this remodeling project, they kept function top of mind. There are 4 outlets to accommodate the appliances on the countertop. There is also a handy pot filler faucet for extra functionality. classic herringbone tiled backsplash is the perfect backdrop to incorporate lots of wood elements like cutting boards, bowls, and utensils according to the decorating experts at Elegant C. All white canisters create spots to keep everyday necessities for cooking and eating. Incorporating fresh florals into the mix is a great way to make the heart of the home feel full of life. Carrie Feeney of Alicia Weaver Design says her staples for decorating kitchen countertops are large bowls of produce and fresh flowers in decorative vases. In this kitchen, for instance, she added sculptural items to her display. The result is a sophisticated cooking space that beautifully blends with the main living area in this open-concept home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.